Brother younger or elder?
My brother younger and my sister older.
Wow.
This is me.
You?
Ah.
So how did
Since
you
now,
learn Arabic language? Arabic? How
Arabic,
did you learn? Aywa.
I
Aywa.
studied Arabic. I studied Arabic, but English is my normal language. Okay, I speak British English.
Accent British like is right.
Is right. Oh, mashallah, shukran. So I speak English and I also speak Arabic. I studied Arabic literally, but I speak English. Okay, English is my language. I speak English. I'm an African.
English your mother tongue.
Yeah. So
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. That's
Yeah.
India.
Next to India.
Oh,
You know
mashallah.
Bangladesh?
I have friends from Bangladesh. I have one from Egypt. The other one is Muhammad.
Muhammad. Yeah, I have colleague Egypt.
Oh, mashallah. Raza, mashallah. Assalamualaikum,
Actually,
Raza.
I'm from Bangladesh, but I'm living Saudi Arabia.
Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
Okay,
Do you know?
Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Saudi Arabia. Okay, that is good.
I'll send you later.
Now, I want now.
Now, I don't know. I'm new here. Okay, the life.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
don't know all properly used.
Thank you for joining.
Okay, you follow me.
Barakallahu. Assalamualaikum kullah.
How many friends do you have?
Much, but they are not online.
Too much. Name?
My name is Pandora or Zoe.
Joey. Nice.
Say,
Your name meaning?
Zoe means life.
Life. Oh, I thought flower.
No, means life.
Koyes.
Quiz at Arabic. Quiz.
أنا معلوم شوية أنا.
انت فاهم شوية بس مش قلبك. حتى انا شوية مش قلبك لكن انا اعرف شوية. لك مش شوية انت شوية انا شوية انت شوية.
أنت في زيادة.
شنو؟
ما في شوية. أنا معلوم شوية أنت زيادة.
Get up.
I know a little bit.
شنو؟
But you more. You know more.
Yeah.
Is would you like to go another?
No.
Okay, we will meet again.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Bye bye. شكرا.
Afwan.
You miss me.
You look very cute.
Thank you.
Okay.